Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create an Instagram profile picture using Canva. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser, select your profile. I will maximize it. Now in the search bar type canva.com, or you can search at Google by searching Canva. Now after opening the website you have to log in with the account. For creating an account, just use your Gmail account and your free account will be created. Then log in on the Canva website. Now after creating the web account, after logging in, just wait for a few seconds to loading up. Okay, now you have to go to click on here, create a design. Now new window will appear. In the search list type Instagram. Now you can see this option here, Instagram profile picture. Click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it gives you hundreds of ideas of templates, so you can directly take suggestions. So for example, I will type style and search it. Now you can see here a different type of profile pictures. For example, I want to edit this picture, or this looks cool, so just have to go to here. I have to delete this picture and I have to upload myself. So for uploading your own photo, go to uploads and then upload your file, and it's that simple as that. Now after creating your profile picture, to download in your computer or laptop, go to share option and click on download. Now maximize the size so quality will be better, then click on download, and then your profile picture will be downloaded. And that's it guys. Now you know how to create a profile picture for Instagram, or you can use any social media for free. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care.